community. This is Viviane Dawalibi, identity mentor, humanitarian leader, successful businesswoman, founder of Future Power Academy. A proof that titles do not make a person. Purpose does. I don't have a degree. I have something far more dangerous, a vision to be of service, a refusal to stay silent, a fire to prove I was more than the limits placed on me. I was born in a culture that told girls like me to stay home, stay small, to reject the scholarship, to settle. But I couldn't accept the life lived half awake. So I chose a different path, one forged through deserts, refugee camps, war zones, and boardrooms. A path that took me across 8 countries with nothing but my conviction that I could make a difference, and I did. From humanitarian front lines to identity revolution. I didn't just survive systems, I helped recreate them, rebuild them. In Sudan, I served the operation that was hosting over 2.5 million refugees, and I was honored with a Nobel Peace Prize certificate. In Armenia, my work led the president to change national orphanage policy and earned me the UNESCO Peace Prize certificate. In Kenya, I reunited unaccompanied minors from south of Sudan with new lives. In Bosnia, Bangladesh, Moldova, Somalia, and Belarus, I worked inside war-affected zones where my voice, my strategy, and my heart became a light for others. But when I came to Australia as a refugee, with 2 decades of global leadership, I was told none of it counted. No local degree, no Australian work experience, and no place. So I did what I have done always. I created my own. I founded a community welfare association in Sydney that turned hidden hobbies into small thriving businesses for migrant people. I built and sold 2 medical practices from the ground up using nothing but grit, intuition, and self-taught business mastery. And I received multiple business and multicultural awards in Queensland. Recognition not of paperwork, but of purpose and power. My mission now, identity transformation, not information. I'm the voice for people who were told they do not belong. They are not good enough. The mentor for high achievers who lost themselves inside their success. The mirror for those who have never seen their brilliance reflected back. Through Future Power Academy, I guide people to stop proving and start remembering who they are, to heal the inner child, to reclaim the soul, to lead with sacred confidence and live a life they chose, not one they inherited. Credentials are not my currency. Integrity is. Awarded the Nobel Peace Prize certificate, awarded the UNESCO Peace Prize certificate, led refugee and development missions in 8 countries, created a welfare association in Sydney, Australia, created small business pathways for migrant communities, built and exited 2 healthcare facilities, businesses in Queensland, Australia. Now a mentor, mentoring people in business, identity, leadership, and legacy. My message to you, you are not broken. You are not behind. You are not unworthy because you paused or burned out or forgot who you are. You are powerful. You are unstoppable because you are remembering now who you are. This is the beginning of your worthiness awakening journey. I would be honored to walk beside you. Let us begin your awakening. Ready to reclaim the you beneath the proving? Take the Inner Achiever Map quiz to discover the unconscious identity driving your burnout. Or book a free worthiness discovery call with me through 0433 218 780, where we will uncover what is keeping you stuck and create a path rooted in your truth. You don't need more hustle. You need a homecoming again. Let us begin.